Hello?
Assalamualaikum,
Marel.
Marel.
Waalaikumsalam.
Come, play outside.
Sorry, I'm sick.
Oh no!
be okay.
Shafiqillah. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. I'm coming.
Sorry to interrupt. Marel, here's some fruits.
Tell us whatever you need. Shukran. Bro, I'm good at piano.
Brother, instead of learning piano, learn the Quran.
I don't know Arabic.
Don't worry, brother. I'll teach you.
Shukran. Rashid, are you okay? Alhamdulillah, thank you. Nice house.
Shukran.
I bring snacks.
Good, shukran.